National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dakota County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Burnsville, or 16 miles south of Minneapolis, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Eagan, Burnsville, Lakeville, Apple Valley, Cottage Grove, Inver Grove Heights, Savage, Rosemount, Farmington, Hampton, Randolph, Vermilion, and Coates. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Dakota, Minnesota,